Installing ComfyUI on Windows with one file, a few clicks, and zero headaches. Let's go. You need three things: an NVIDIA RTX 20 series card or newer, Windows 10 or 11 up to date, and about 15 gigabytes of free space on your C drive. Go to github.com/comfy-workflow, open the Comfy Workflow repository, enter the Setup Windows folder, and click on O1 install base.bat. Click this little button right here, Download Raw File. Save it to your Downloads folder. If this pop-up shows up, it's normal. Right-click the file, Properties, check Unblock, Apply. OK. Double-click. From here on, I'm going to speed up and explain what's happening. If a Windows pop-up asks for permission, click Yes. The script runs the checks and installs 7-zip, Git, FFmpeg, and Python 3.13 if they're not already on your machine. It validates Python and downloads ComfyUI Portable, about 3 gigabytes. Extracts everything to C:ComfyUI Windows Portable and creates the model folders. Now comes the only moment that needs you. Pay attention. It's simple. When the browser opens with the ComfyUI screen, it's working. Now, three things, in this order. 1. Close the browser tab. 2. Close the black ComfyUI window. 3. Go back to the installer and press any key. The order matters. If you press a key before, the next steps will fail. Done. The script finishes on its own, clones the 3 essential custom nodes, Manager, rgthree, and Crystools, and wraps up. When installation complete shows up, that's it. One last 10-second setting. Launch Run NVIDIA. Gear icon up here. Search for Node ID badge. Set it to show all. Every workflow I share uses node IDs to guide you. Without this, you have no idea which one is which. Today, I'm not running any workflow yet. ComfyUI installed, 3 essential custom nodes loaded, everything working. Before I wrap up, what happens if you run the installer on a machine that already has ComfyUI? Double-click again. The script detects it and gives you 3 options. I'm going with Update. Runs in no time. Update complete. Done. That's it. One file. Everything working. For people who've never installed it and for people who've installed it many times. In the next videos, installation of image generators, video generators, and more, all in the same setup. GitHub link in the description. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.